Hello, I'm going to show you how to draw a house using 2-point perspective drawing. First, we need to draw a line to determine our vanishing point. Then, draw a vertical line at the center to know the height of our eye view. Then, project each line to the end, to the vanishing point. After that, we are going to show the length, the height of our house. Draw a line here and here. I'm going to put a roof. We need to find the center of this line. Then draw a vertical line. Then choose any point, then project it to this side. Then, then you need to draw it connecting through here, and gonna access it a little. Then project this point to the right side. Then we need to get the angle of these to equal in the other side. I'm gonna put a door. Then a window, determine the height, then project it. Then there's your house, drawing perspective drawing.